Hello, everyone, and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's session, we'll be diving into our inbuilt average CPC calculator. Let's first understand what average CPC or average cost per click calculator does and what it essentially is. Well, average CPC refers to the average amount you pay each time someone clicks on your ad. It's a crucial metric in campaign budgeting and optimization. There is another metric that is related to CPC, which is return on ad spend, or also referred as ROAS. It's a profitability metric that tells you how much revenue you generate for every rupee spent on advertising. So, a higher ROAS indicates a more efficient campaign. But why is average CPC calculator important? Well, like I said, it's important to find out the right balance between your CPC and ROAS for campaign success. By estimating your ideal CPC using this calculator, you can set realistic campaign budgets, optimize your bids for better returns, and make data driven decisions about your ad spend. So let's use the calculator. Now, if we see this calculator in action, it has two input fields, which is conversion value per click and your target ROAS. Conversion value per click, the first field represents the average revenue you generate every time someone clicks on your ad and completes a desired action like purchase or sign up. Your target ROS is the return on ad spend you aim to achieve with your campaign. Let's look at with an example. Let's suppose if you target a ROS of 5, it means you want to earn rupee 5 for every 1 rupee you spend on advertising. So if you don't know how to calculate your target ROS yet, we have already created a separate video on the same. You can check out the link in the description below, or you can simply hit on search engine results and look for target ROS. We'll be ranking in the top position on search also. You can check out the link. But for now, let's get back to our average CPC calculator. Let's look at this example with the practical use case. Imagine you sell handmade jewelry online. The average order value on your website is rupees 2000. You set a target ROS of 4. This means you want to make 4 times your total average order value, which is 8,000 rupees for every 2,000 you spend on ads. Let's see how this calculator works in this scenario. Your average conversion value per click, in our case, it is 2,000. Then our target ROS, which we have set to 4, hit calculate. Your average CPC shows 500. Now, if we interpret this, it means in this scenario, for every click you get on your ad, that leads to a sale, you should ideally be paying no more than 500 rupees. So, by targeting the CPC, you increase your chances of achieving your target ROS of 4. Remember, the calculator provides an estimate. The actual results may vary depending on various factors like competition and campaign settings. However, it's an important tool for making a better decision regarding your advertisement budgets and bid strategies. And if you really want to deep dive into more about CPC and target ROS, you can check out our blogs. Go to the resources and blog section. Simply input target ROAS and check out the blog. The first link shows you how to optimize your Google ad strategy to implement a well defined target ROS. I'll also be including the link in the description. Similarly, you can check out on multiple topics over here and multiple industry. So you can check out and access all the resources from the website directly. And for your ease and convenience, I'll also be sharing the links in the description below. You can try out the calculator now. The link is again in the description. And if you want a growth partner, book a consultation with us, the hacking specialist. Check out the link in the description. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more growth tips and tricks. Until next time, happy advertisement.